Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're diving into the world of Volusion. Volusion is an e-commerce platform that helps businesses establish their online stores. So whether you're a small business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, Volusion offers a range of features to create a professional and successful online presence. So let's explore what Volusion has to offer and see if it's the right choice for your e-commerce journey. Let's get started. So let's talk a little bit more about what is Volusion. Volusion is an e-commerce platform that provides businesses with the tools and features needed to build and run an online store. It was founded in 1999 and has since grown to become a popular choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking to establish an online presence. Some key features of Volusion include store setup and design. So Volusion offers a range of customizable templates and a user-friendly interface to help you create and design your online store. You can choose from various themes and layouts to match your brand and customize the appearance of your store. Then you have product management. So Volusion platform allows you to manage your product catalog efficiently, and you can easily add, edit product details, organize products into categories, and set up inventory tracking as well. You can also manage pricing and discounts, similar to how you would in a Wix store or Shopify. Volusion also provides tools for order management, including order tracking, shipment notifications, and inventory management. You can also integrate with popular shipping carriers to streamline your shipping processes. Volusion integrates with multiple payment gateways, allowing you to accept credit cards payments, and also supports major providers like PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. Volusion includes built-in SEO features to help optimize your store for search engines. You can customize meta tags, URLs, and product descriptions to improve your store's visibility. Additionally, it offers marketing tools like discount codes, social media integrations, and email marketing to help promote your products. Volusion also provides responsive design templates, ensuring that your online store looks and functions well on mobile devices. This is important considering the increasing number of customers who shop using smartphones and tablets is all on the rise. The platform also offers analytics and reporting features to track your store's performance, and you can access data on sales, customer behavior, popular products, and more. This information can help make you informed business decisions and optimize your marketing strategies. And lastly, Volusion provides customer support through various channels, including live chat, phone, and email. They also have a knowledge base and community forum, which users can find to comment questions and connect with others as well. It's worth noting that while Volusion offers a range of features, it's always a good idea to evaluate different e-commerce platforms and choose the one that best fits your business needs and goals. So let's get started with Volusion. So what you want to do is go into Volusion.com, and you can see and read a little bit about their e-commerce platform. The main drawback of Volusion is that they don't offer a free version, like similar to how Wix and Shopify do. They do offer a trial, but only for 14 days. So in order to start off with Volusion, you will need to buy an actual plan. Their pricing starts from about $35 a month and can go all the way up to $299 a month, but they also have a customized option as well, which you can talk to their actual sales representative about and get a custom quote as well. The personal plan includes features like the ability to sell up to 100 products a month, unlimited bandwidth, online support through live chat and email, and a secure checkout as well. Their professional plan starts at about $79 a month, and it allows you to sell up to 5,000 products. You still get the live chat support, but you get up to 5 staff accounts as opposed to 1. And the business plan is next, so that's one of the more expensive plans. It's priced at $299 a month. It supports up to 10,000 products, or unlimited products, and 15 staff accounts as well. And you also get a little bit more support in terms of a phone call-in, as opposed to just live chat and email. The Volusion's Prime plan is their enterprise level solution designed for larger businesses with more extensive needs, and the pricing for this plan is customized based on specific requirements. It includes all the features of the business plan, along with advanced features like custom reports, API access, and priority support. So one of the key features about Volusion is their site builder. So Volusion offers a site builder that allows you to create and customize the appearance of an online store. And that includes access to free themes. So Volusion provides a variety of professionally designed templates that you can choose from. These templates are customizable, allowing you to modify colors, fonts, layouts, and other design elements to match your brand identity. Part of their site design also includes a simple page builder and a simple sort of drag and drop editor, making it easy to customize the store's layout, and you can add, remove, and rearrange various elements on your pages, such as product listings, images, text blocks, and promotional banners. Volusion Site Designer ensures that your online store is mobile friendly. The templates are designed to automatically adjust and optimize the layout for different screen sections as well. You do get access to HTML and CSS code of your store's templates, so anyone who's more advanced and more comfortable with coding, Volusion does provide access to that, and it allows for further customization and fine-tuning of the design. And you can always preview and test your template as well as you're going along and making changes to your store design, as the site designer allows you to preview how the changes will appear to visitors. This helps you ensure that the design looks as intended before publishing it live. It's important to note that while Volusion Site Designer provides a user-friendly interface for designing your store, some advanced design customizations might require HTML and CSS knowledge. So if you're unfamiliar with coding, you can still achieve a professional-looking store using available customization options and pre-designed templates. Remember to explore the features and capabilities of the site designer to ensure it meets your specific design requirements and allows you to create an appealing and functional online store. So a popular alternative to Volusion would be Shopify, so let's look at how they both would compare. Volusion and Shopify are both popular e-commerce platforms, but they do have some differences in terms of features, pricing, and overall user experience. So here's a quick comparison between the two. So both platforms aim to provide user-friendly interfaces, however Shopify is often considered slightly easier to use, especially for beginners. It offers a more intuitive and streamlined user experience with a drag and drop interface making it simpler to set up and manage an online store. Volusion, on the other hand, while still user-friendly, may have a steeper learning curve for some users. Both Volusion and Shopify offer a variety of templates and design customization options. However, Shopify has the largest selection of professionally designed themes, including both free and paid options, while Volusion provides a slightly more limited selection. Shopify's themes are known for their high-quality design and mobile responsiveness. Shopify also has an extensive app store with a range of third-party integrations and add-ons, and this allows you to enhance your store's already existing functionality with various features like marketing tools, analytics, and customer support. Volusion also offers integration, but its app store is relatively smaller and may have fewer options compared to Shopify. Next up, we have pricing, and the pricing structure of Volusion and Shopify are slightly different. Volusion's pricing plans are based on the number of products and include features like bandwidth, support, and additional services, while Shopify's payment plans are primarily based on the features and services offered, like the number of staff accounts, transaction fees, and advanced reporting. Both platforms have different tiers of pricing to accommodate businesses of various sizes. This includes features like the number of staff accounts, transaction fees, and advanced reporting. Both platforms have different tiers of pricing to accommodate businesses of various sizes, with Shopify generally being considered more expensive overall. In terms of scalability, Shopify is often seen as more scalable, particularly for businesses with significant growth potential. This is because it offers robust infrastructure and supports high-volume stores without compromising performance. Volusion can also handle medium-sized businesses, but it may face limitations in terms of scalability compared to Shopify. And when it comes to customer support, both platforms provide customer support, but the quality and availability may vary. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone, and email for all pricing plans. Volusion offers online support, including live chat and email, but the phone support is limited to higher tier plans only. Ultimately, the choice between Volusion and Shopify depends on your specific needs and preferences. Shopify is often recommended for its ease of use, scalability, and extensive app store, while Volusion may be suitable for businesses that prioritize specific features offered by their platform. When choosing between Volusion and Shopify, or any e-commerce platform for that matter, there are several important factors to consider. One of them being ease of use, so evaluate how user-friendly the platform is, especially if you have limited technical experience or are new to e-commerce. Consider the platform's interface, setup process, and available resources like tutorials or documentation. Look into the design options and customization capabilities offered by each platform. Consider whether the available techniques are aligned with your brand's aesthetic, and if you have the flexibility to customize the design elements to create a unique online store. Assess the features and functionality provided by each platform, so consider whether they offer tools and capabilities you need for your specific business requirements, such as inventory management, order processing, payment gateways, marketing tools, SEO features, and integration options with other apps or services. Consider the scalability of the platform and its ability to handle your business growth. Evaluate whether the platform can accommodate an increasing number of products, high traffic volumes, and additional features or integrations as your business expands. Compare the pricing structures of Volusion and Shopify, including the costs of associating with each platform's pricing, transaction fees, add-ons, or apps, and any other potential expenses. Determine which platform offers the best value for your budget and aligns with your expected sales volumes. You want to look at the level of support offered by each platform and evaluate the available support channels, whether that's live chat, phone, email, and the quality and availability of assistance. Additionally, check for documentations, tutorials, community forums, and other educational resources that can help you troubleshoot issues or learn more about the platform more effectively. Assess the integration possibilities with other servers or tools that are important for your business. Determine which platform can integrate with payment gateways, shipping carriers, analytics tools, marketing tools, or other third-party services that you rely on. And always research and read reviews and testimonials from other users of both platforms. Pay attention to feedback on reliability, performance, customer support, and overall user satisfaction. This can provide insights into real-world problems and help you gauge the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. By carefully considering these factors, you can make a more informed decision based on your specific business needs, budgets, and long-term goals. It's also really beneficial to take advantage of free trials or demos offered by platforms to explore their features and get a hands-on experience before making a final decision. And that wraps up our overview of Volusion, from its user-friendly interface to customizable templates. Volusion provides the tools you need to build and manage your online store, so remember to consider factors like pricing, design flexibility, and scalability when you're choosing an e-commerce platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.